Hi and welcome back to Just Maria D. I am indeed Maria D. I am taking part in VEDA vlog every day in April. Today I'm not going to vlog, but I am going to do a video, one that I need to do because I co-admin a home educators YouTube group on Facebook, and we often get asked, how do you do such and such? So today I'm going to tackle how I do thumbnails using this program, FotoJet. Currently at the moment I use the free version. So I'm going to hit here, create design. And as we go in, you can see that there's all kinds of different templates. Today I'm going to do YouTube thumbnail. Always works fine with me. I never have any trouble. As anyone who watches my channel frequently will know, I have a very distinct thumbnail that I use every single time I upload a video. Today I'm going to do it differently though. I want a different thumbnail that is going to differentiate between my normal vlogs and my tutorial series. Right now I'm going to hit add photo. You can ring my bell, ring my bell. Highlight those two. Now, for some reason, whenever I try to do this the other way around and put the background in first, this picture goes wonky. I don't know why, but I have learnt my lesson over the months of using it. I have now learnt to put the background in first. I have used marble because it's a bit on trend at the moment, and then I'm going to send it to the back like that. Then I'm going to come over here to where it says clip art, and I'm going to choose shape. I'm going to choose an outline shape, which is a rectangle, which I'm going to shrink down a little bit. Then I'm going to come here to where it says effect, and I'm going to turn it black. You can change how opaque this is. You can change how thick you want the border. Then I'm going to come down here to where it says solid shape. I'm going to choose another rectangle, shrink it down to where it's sort of equidistant with the borders that are already there. I could just have put a solid rectangle under this. Then I'm going to change that to white. I'm then going to choose this circle, which I am also going to turn black. I'm going to shrink that down, oops, maybe sort of that amount. Clicking on it, I'm going to come over here to where it says property, and I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to shrink it down just a little bit, come back to where it says effect, hit color, hit white. Because what I want to do is create a shadow effect around my circle, choosing which area to put the shadow. I think I'm going to do it like that. You can obviously put the shadow wherever you like it, but it's just to create a little bit of a border and a little bit of effect. What I'm going to do then is come over here to where it says text, click on that, and I'm going to add a heading. Click into it where this line appears, and then highlight it with your left mouse button if you use a mouse like I do. Change it and then write your word, or write your word and then change it. Doesn't really matter. Oh, can't spell. Thumbnails. I'm going to drag that out to the edges of the border so that when it sits here it is of equal distance and centered for me. Going to move that up a little bit. I'm not going to have it equal by the looks of that because of the circle. Then I'm going to do the same again. I'm just going to move this up here, click on it again, and this time I'm going to write on it first. How to, I just need to choose a text for that. All right, so how to, I'm not that keen on that how to. Let's see if we can find a better text. Something plain, but a little bit bolder. As we scroll through, you can see that anything that has this crown, that is for people who have upgraded. Okay, so how to, that will work fine, but I don't want it to be as big as thumbnails. Click on it once more. I'm doing the Australian thing, aren't I, where my words go up at the end once more. I need to stop doing that. I'm very, very conscious of it. My friends often point out to me that Australians do that. Their sentences go up at the end, and sometimes they go down. Yeah, I need to stop it. Very distinct. One family in particular often say that if their children spend time with me, that they come home doing it, which I think is hilarious. Alrighty, I'm going to choose something that looks similar to YouTube Red. I think that'll probably do it. Going to make that at an angle just by swiveling that. And I'm going to drag that over here. I'm not quite happy with that angle, so we'll drag it back again. I want it bigger, so I just hit the A+. Can I make it go? Yep, how to make. Then I'm actually going to use this text again. So head over here to where it says property and duplicate it. Put the word with. This time I'm going to shrink it down though, because it's not going to be the focus of my attention down here. Again, hit add subheading, and this time I'm going to write the name of the program that I am using, FotoJet, so that if I do this tutorial again with a different program, there's a differentiation. One that's kind of similar to their logo, but I don't think I'm going to get it exact. This one. There we go. Make it bigger so that the program that I am using can be seen. Let's move you out of the way. With, there we go, FotoJet. And then we need to just make that a little bit bigger. So if one of the sizes isn't working, so if 48 is too small and 72 is too big, you can actually highlight here and put 60 or whatever. So you can actually manipulate that a little bit. The last thing to do is to work with our YouTube picture here. Going to make it bigger. Going to click here and bring it to the front so that it sits above this. Going to swivel it just a little bit. Everybody swivel it just a little bit. There we go. We make that a little bit bigger. Swivel it just a little bit more. How to make YouTube thumbnails with FotoJet. And then we come up here. I'm going to call it YouTube FJ. Going to change it to a PNG. I'm going to hit save. Come down here, save for free. And you can see that it's saved down here. And here's one that I was messing around with earlier. Click that and we are done. Very simple tutorial on how to make a thumbnail using FotoJet. If there are other tutorials that you would like to see, please leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching. I have been Maria. You have been awesome, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.